He's already setting car alarms off on the daily. But look who's back, ladies and gents. We just got done washing and detailing Sally. We got some nice photos, but I just want to show you guys the open headers. Let me just walk in between. That sounds insane. I'm gonna say it right now, and I'm gonna say the facts. Nothing sounds better than the 4.6 liter V8 engine. I'm sorry, the 5.8 has the power, I'm gonna give it that, but to sounds, 4.6 is just amazing. I want you guys to comment down below what sound you like better. Here's the 5.8 liter. And then here is the 4.6 liter. The 4.6 just sounds so nasty, and here it is. Now we got the booties rocking. Sick photo shoot. Go check out my Instagram as well as Joe's Instagram and Daniel's Instagram. We posted some sick photos. All right, boys, sponsorship time. So shout out to Andrew from LED All the Things for hooking it up with the color changing Demon Eye, the color changing grill kit, and the color changing dash kit. So what we have here, ladies and gents, is the ability to change your headlights to any color. It looks so sick, especially paired with dash changing kit. You could control this all with your iPhone, one of the best products out there. And it's really easy to go ahead and win these. All you have to do is hit up LED All the Things. Make sure you give them a follow. And then from 1 week from today, I'll be going to their following, going to the mutual. So you do have to follow me and LED All the Things. And then I'll be selecting random winners to ship all these cool products out to you guys. So make sure you guys give them a follow. Give me a follow. Also give this big thumbs up, as well as the shirts here is these awesome shirts, which will be included in the giveaway. So make sure that you give a subscribe and check out what LED All the Things has to offer. Thank you guys so much for your time. Let's get back to the video. Now we're gonna go ahead and get into the review here. We have Sally back and she has some different things going on to her. Daniel, the new owner, is hooking it up with the build. He's continuing the build. He's super happy, super excited, and he has great plans that I love his enthusiasm and everything about it. We do have the Mcleod here, which we are going to install, and I do want to take this time right now. We installed 410 gears on Veronica, which is Joe's Mustang. We're going to be installing the Mcleod clutch as well, and some solid motor mounts. Since I don't have this car, I don't know about posting it on my channel, but definitely on Joe's channel or anybody else's channel, maybe Dano if he makes in a YouTube as well. Those videos will be there, so comment down below if you want to see some clutch installs, some rear diff installs, some motor mount install, or if I should just do it on my channel. I'm not entirely sure. I love showing you guys how to do things on your own. You save so much money doing that, and so that's exactly what we have here. We just have everything externals pretty much the same here. He does want to go ahead and do the actual shaker hood here, which is pretty cool. And then inside is where he really tears it up. The good old, we have the radar, because he always tears it up here. He has the new stereo system, which is pretty sick, and right behind me, he loves the stereo, so he's hooking it up with the stereo. But we're also getting the clutch in, the roll bar cage is going in with the harness. That's gonna be in shortly. I don't know if you guys want to see that or not, but yeah, everything here is great. He's planning on some big things. Wastegate as well to boost up the supercharger, and so it should be pretty fun. This build is continuing to go, and I would love to go ahead and show you guys the ride, just because why not, you know. Popping the hood here, we just have the Pro Charger once again, and then yeah, that's basically it. The big red blow off valve, you guys already know about that.